In 2009, Republican National Committee Chairman Michael Steele said the Grand Old Party was in need of a hip-hop makeover. He's gone now. But I got this. I'm a Republican. I come from all streets. I'm fresh from 2012 with an old school beat. Y'all used to love us, now not so much. Keith Olbermann thinks Mitt Romney's out of touch, so tonight I count down, now it's rhymes that we're fixing. Like the original gangsta, Richard Nixon, and we're making mixtapes. We're not gonna burn them. Watergate taught us lessons, and you suckers gonna learn them. Let's pump up the jams like we did in the 80s. We're not just white men now, we got some blacks, some ladies. Okay, not a lot, but at least a half a dozen. Alan West, Herman Cain, Strom Thurmond's lost cousin. Straight out the cabin like Abraham Lincoln. Still in the closet case the teabaggers got you thinking, because we're down with the dirty, but only if it's straight. That's why we drop dimes in California's Prop 8. We're the party of God, just like the Taliban or Mullah Omar's or Reverend Pat Robertson. We got Mormons, Catholics, Pentecostals too. Our Israel supporters outreach to the Jews. We support homeschooling, intelligent design, because dinosaurs and man were at the same time. Rah! We save stem cells. We stop some abortions. We're pimping out Jesus in generous proportions. Turn to Fox News, Rush Limbaugh's pill pumping. Check it over there, and Coulter is crumping. My DJ's Adam Smith, call him John Galt for short, from the lower middle class. He likes to extort, because it's class warfare when Mr. Peanut gets smoked. When the poor takes the hit, the markets get stoked. It's trickle down economics. Can't you understand? The fact you're unemployed has totally been planned. It was visible fingers. MC Adams laying down the tracks is gonna spin you all out a motherfucking flat tax. 15%, 15%, 15%. That's all you gotta pay. So step on tax man with your 1040A. I got a right to bear arms. I know how to use it. Posse a lobbyist, so I'm not gonna lose it. I roll with Dick Cheney, so you know I'm a killer. Capping old geezers, making Graveland filler. Clocks, Uzis, machine guns too. Permit for Sarah Palin to hunt moose at the zoo. I roll like Jennifer Grey in Red Dawn Lands. You only get my gun from my cold dead hands. All the Wolverines here say ho! Ho! Wolverines here say ho! Ho! God, guns, and money. You know that they're with us, and like it says on the coin, who you gonna trust? But forget about Bush, because Reagan is our game. But unlike the Gipper, you won't forget our name. The preceding message is paid for by the Republican Party, responsible for its content, and I approve that message because the GOP is hype. So peace out, y'all, and to all the good I hate. Peace. I mean war. Yeah.